Is Dahlia there? No, where's Dahlia?
Right here.
Oh. Noah!
Excuse me.
Just blow it up and have him sit down. Come and sit down over here, Noah. Come here. Get up. We have another surprise.
Another surprise?
Yeah, but you gotta go sit down.
Sit down. Sit down right there. Sit right here.
Sit at the corner. Okay, have Daddy sit down. You're not big enough.
Okay, hold on.
Get up.
Let me sit down.
Get up so Daddy can sit down. You suck at placement.
We're not a surprise. Look.
It's because it came out slowly. Ready?
Okay.
Noah,
What?
come here. Look, you blow it up. Now get up. Now stand right there. Okay. Ew! Chupelo!
My turn. My turn to punch.
Noah, hold on, get up. Sit down. Ew! He's gonna like the whoopee face.